Guys, today we're working with the Studio Calico grab bag slash kit thing that I had got in the mail that I had ordered off their website. This is my little hammy lammy little lady. She, her mom and her were in the grocery store, and her mom's, JoJo said she told her to strike a pose, and this is what we got. So, she's such a ham. Anyway, it was the stuff that came in the kit was a little more, the colors were a little different, but that's okay, because how I'm gonna work it is with this color, which has, I don't know if you can tell, they kind of look the same on the camera, but this one's a little bit more mustardy, and this one's really bright yellow. But they both are in, like, it's brighter up here, and it's a little bit less, a little bit toned down here, so that's fine. And I had received these in that kit as well, like banners, so we're gonna work with that. And I had those together for a reason. Oh well, okay. Anyway, so here we go. Let's just jump in. See how we go. I did back this with my, okay, so have you guys ever had like a particular something you really like, you bought it, and you may have bought a little more than you should have before you tried it, and now you're trying to get rid of it? That's where I'm at on this tape that I'm using up today. Like, I bought too much of it, but so, you know, I gotta get rid of it. It's where I'm like, I need to use it though, because I spend the money on it. Now, I don't want to put that one down because I'm going to cover it all the way up, so that's fine. Put that one there. Ow. Come back there with this one. And so that's why I was like, let me go ahead and just back these pieces, because they weren't obviously stickers. Get them used up, get it used up. She's such a sweetheart. Alright, you guys know I struggle with things being straight. Got to roll with it. I had wanted to use this. I'm wondering if I can get that over there. I don't know just yet. Anyway, kind of laid this out, but I'm totally switching it up. Honestly, I had this picture on the other side, the right side, no, the left side. And I wanted to use these, but I don't know if I'll have enough. No, I'll have enough. I don't know if I'll like the way it looks. I'm gonna put you on pause and see what it looks like. Hold on one second. Okay. Little ham. We'll see. Alright, so this is acetate, which you guys already know is not glue friendly. So, what we'll do is glue it down with all of these. Come back here. Let's see what we got. That good? Okay, now we're winging it, my friends. Now we are winging it. Alright, hold on. We got another big one over here. Maybe winging it a little too fast. Brain can't compute. This needs to come down here. Pop this one over here. Okay. Oh, what's this? Remember that one time. Too funny. Just a little extra. Now, do we need you down here somewhere? I didn't know. I think you're going to go to the side there, my friend. Okay. Good. Now, bring in these hexagons, which I don't... You guys in the frame there? Yep, not too bad. See, that will work good. Oh. I don't know. It's actually a whole nother color. Strange. It doesn't look too bad. Pop a little camera. You can never go wrong with a camera. That's cute. Now this red does not match. Now this one's got white and stripes on it, so thinking it'll be too far out. Like you won't notice it as much, I should say. Gives me 3 hexagons on there. Oh, and the heart, nope, I think that's good. Okay. Now, I had some enamels, which are right here. I was gonna do some stamping. That would fit there. Do I do it and possibly mess up my entire layout that I just spent 8 whole minutes doing? I think we'll go stamp it. What do you guys think? This is also a Studio Calico stamp set. Oh my gosh, I don't know. Yeah, we'll go stamp it. Yeah. I thought my phone was ringing, but I'm literally looking at it. I don't know what that noise is. Interesting. Oh my goodness. Not too bad. High five. Yes, I'm that person. Okay. Moving on from that awkward moment. What? Oh, sorry. That was loud for me. Had to be loud for you guys. Okay, what about this set? Do we want to add yes, please? Because I think that would be so cute right around there. Or love this. Or, let's see. Yes, please. Love it. Love it. I think I'm going to go heart this. Now, for some reason, feeling like I need to have 3 stamps on this page. So, now we'll go with yes, please. Or do we want to say make time for? No, yes, please. There we go. Nice. All right. Now, cover your ink up before this gets messy. Okay, dots. Get that out of my way. I was thinking these because they will match those. And pink because my baby loves her some pink. And what we'll do, yeah, just a little bit. It's really a little bit compared to what I usually do, huh? Alright, Studio Calico kit. I didn't use all the goodies, but I've used quite a bit actually. So, I didn't use any of the cards. I still have, these are perplexing me because that color is just like bam, right there, really bright. But I still have quite a bit left for as far as the cards, so that's cool. I don't have a whole lot of the extra things there left, so anyway, oh my goodness, these are just perfect. Hold on, hold tight for just a second, dear. She has to have a heart. She has to have 3. Oh gosh, 13 minutes. I'm so sorry, guys. Alright, I'm leaving. Alright, peace. I'm out of here. Alright, have a good rest of your day. And I will holler at you guys next time. Bye!